Hey, lovely, you are loved. You are beautiful. Look at you. You are beautiful. You are bold and courageous. Yes, you are. You are, my friend. You are special and specially loved. You are. Yes, you are special. You are special. You are able and you will make it. Don't let anybody tell you you can't. You are wanted. Come on over. You are wanted. You are so wanted. You're healthy and you're wise. You are definitely healthy and wise. Hey there, sister. You're powerful. Brother, you are so powerful. You are protected. Protected, protected, protected you are. Yes, you are protected. Wow. You are strong. You are so strong, stronger than you think you could ever be. You are a cut above the rest. It's important that you know that you are a cut above the rest. You are happy. You are so happy. You are successful. Believe it, say it, ordain it. Yes, you are successful. You are. You are free. Free within your mind, free within your body. Freedom. You are free. You're healed, my friend. Doesn't matter what's going on right now. You are healed. Yes, you are. You are admired. Yes, someone admires you. You are admired. Mm, mm, mm. You are worthy. Yes, yes, you are worthy, worthy, worthy. You, your smile is valued. So smile some more. Come on, show some cheeks more often. Your smile is valued. Your opinions are valued. So raise your hand, raise it high, and say what is on your mind respectfully. You belong. Believe it or not, you belong, sister. You belong, brother. Come on now, you belong. And if you don't, you will feel it. Yes, you belong. You will be that which you set out to be. Yes, if you have a dream, follow it. You will be that which you have set out to be. Yes, you're respected. Yes, I know sometimes you feel like you're not, but I'm here to tell you, you are respected. Guess what? You're mentally free. You are mentally free. Come on now. You're mentally free. Tell yourself, believe it. You will be victorious. Yes, you will be victorious. You definitely will be victorious. Come on. Believe it. You gotta believe it. You. Yes. You. Say me. Say it. Yes, you. You. You are all that and so much more. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know that I made your day. And take care. See you in my next motivation. Bye, lovelies.